And that was our trip to the zoo. We had to cut it short because my kids were literally like so tired and over it. So at least we got to see some animals, walk around, be in nature, and all of that. I really enjoyed it. And up next, I added a clip of Lancome PR unboxing. I am so grateful to Lancome. Just they literally spoiled me. Look at how many products, and this box specifically was curated by Mary Phillips. She's a professional makeup artist. She's done Ariana Grande's makeup, Khloe Kardashian's makeup, and just look at all the products they sent me. Literally, what? I love this sunscreen, by the way. I use it every day. It's so moisturizing. Can't go wrong with the juicy tubes. They're famous for a reason. And I actually went ahead and picked out a couple products to keep, and the rest of the products will be going towards a giveaway here on my YouTube channel. So make sure you're subscribed. I'm thinking of doing one next month in December as just, a little holiday giveaway. So subscribe so you don't miss that out. The rules will be really simple. And yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying me uploading once a week. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.